Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John Ahr and I'm your instructor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this. It's a twisted square wire that's been drawn through a square draw plate. Now, in a previous video in our twisted wire series, you saw me use a round draw plate. And really the big difference is that the round draw plate has round holes and produces a round profile result. Well, in this case, we've got a square. But you can get these in any kind of profile. But what's amazing about this is that our simple twisted square wire, which you saw me make in a previous video, will turn out to look like a woven piece of metal. It's pretty amazing. And it's really simple to do. So let me show you what to do first. Put on your eye protection, safety first. Then you want to put your draw plate into a bench vise. Now be sure that you put it in horizontally, not vertically, because if you put it in vertically, the tool could actually snap and you could injure yourself as well as the tool. Once you've got it into your bench vise, if necessary, you can either lubricate the hole or you could lubricate the material. Now notice that I've got a point filed to the end of the wire. That gives me something that's smaller than the hole that will push through that I can grab onto with my draw tongs or lineman pliers. And you notice that these pliers are equipped with a little crook at the end to grab my hand to make it easier to pull the material through. Okay, so I'm going to start at the largest hole and I'm just going to push the material through to expose the point. Then I'll just pick up the pliers and grab that point and steady myself for a nice first pull. Okay, that was the first pull. Now we'll go to the next hole and just repeat the process. So I poke the point through and grab and pull. Takes a little bit of effort, but it's worth it. Now, to keep the profile of the wire square, be sure to line up the square of the wire with the square of the hole. Okay, so now, after 4 pulls, you can see that I have a square profile happening on the surface. Now, it's basically imposing facets on the surface. And if I continue to pull it, I can actually compress the material down further to make the margins in between the curves smaller, as I did in the first example right here. That's all there is to it. I hope you have fun making drawn, twisted square wire with your square draw plate. Don't forget to check out our courses on udemy.com. We've got 2 of them, one on hinged jewelry and the other that's a comprehensive jewelry making course that's great for beginners. You'll find the links and the discount codes in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hold the table. Oops. That's funny.